Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday the 4th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. It was a session that was filled with data releases from Australia. It appears that our Aussie dollar has peaked, and with the trade balance coming in under the forecast, the Aussie took another step towards that 78 handle yesterday. Really now we must wait for non-farm payrolls tonight to see if we push back above the 80 levels or start the descent down. So that's Aussie dollar. From the UK, it was a very filled night, very volatile for the UK. We had the services PMI at 53.8. There was no bank interest rate change, that remained at 0.25, but the central bank voted at 6-2 to leave interest rates unchanged. So it wasn't a complete unanimous, but what they did say is that they were concerned with the forecasts for the GDP, wage growth, and they did express concern about a smooth transition to the new economic relationships with the EU. All this tied in together as a consequence, pretty much GBPUSD dropped very quickly, dropped about 120 pips pretty much at the release of this data. From the US, unemployment claims was on forecast at 240, while non-manufacturing PMI came in at 53.9, a little under the forecast. US dollar dropped a little yesterday against the yen, which is seen to be the best indicator of how the US dollar is doing, and really now all eyes are on non-farm numbers tonight. So and I'll let you know when that happens in a short time. Okay, it is now time for our chart of the day, and I'm going to spoil you today. I've actually got two charts, but I'll carry on with a chart that I've been monitoring all week long. It's the GBPAUD. Finally, we have a setup. We have an engulfing candle in a downward trend, so this one's all systems go. So for those of you who like it, by all means, go ahead and start your journey. If you don't, just watch it. It's the chart of the day. Chart of the day number one, a GBPAUD on a daily time frame. The other one that I have for us is a EURAUD chart. I'm on a daily time frame right now. I'm showing you a region where it has come up and it is acting as resistance. So we are wondering, will it continue to act as resistance or will we break through? Now when I zoom into a 4-hour chart, okay, on a daily time frame, I have to say there is nothing there right now. You would need to wait for the current candle. So if you trade a daily chart, you need to wait for this one, but if you really want to jump on it right now, zoom into the 4-hour chart and I can see that I've already got an inside candle, and we've already broken on the downside. Currently where the market is right now, if I was to enter right now, I'm getting in a little bit better than had I taken it at the break. So there you have it, EURAUD on a daily scale. It's at resistance, zoomed into the 4-hour time frame. There is an inside candle ready to go. So those are the two charts for us today. Alright, let's have a look at what's happening in the news today. We'll start off in Australia at 11:30. It's we have the monetary policy statement and retail sales numbers, so look out for that one. At 10:30 tonight from Canada, we have employment change, the trade balance, and the unemployment rate. So CAD traders, look out for that one. Also, simultaneously at 10:30 we have, of course, the big one. We have non-farm payroll, employment change numbers, the employment rate, and the average earnings all come out at 10:30. So this is for those of you who have never seen a fast moving market. I suggest look at it possibly from the sidelines. Just understand that under volatile periods, sometimes it can be difficult to get the exact price that you're looking for because the liquidity changes, the demand changes, and I have some videos on exactly the mechanics of that. For any of you who want to see those, just send me an email and I'll be more than happy to send to you. Okay, so there you have it. That's the news for today. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.